Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem. Unplug external peripherals and switch between battery and AC to rule out power quirks. Next, inspect keys closely. Remove caps if safe and clear debris so switches can actuate. Then, open Device Manager and check the keyboard entry. Note any error codes or yellow warnings. Once done, restart Explorer or the computer to see if a transient driver fault clears, because many glitches stem from software initialization rather than hardware failure. You now tackle the software layer. Try rolling back the driver first if the issue began after an update, otherwise uninstall and allow Windows to reinstall a clean driver. Make sure to install the keyboard vendor's firmware or utility. These restore custom mappings and fix internal firmware bugs. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode or create a new user account to isolate profile corruption. Alternatively, perform a clean boot to identify conflicting startup services. These steps pinpoint whether the glitch is low-level firmware or an OS conflict. You finish by verifying hardware integrity. Power off and safely reseat or replace the keyboard ribbon cable and any connectors, taking anti-static precautions. If individual keys fail, replace mechanical switches or clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and let dry, because oxidation and residue commonly cause intermittent signals. Once reassembled, run an online keyboard tester and a full key sweep. If problems continue, plug in a known good keyboard to confirm, and then consider professional repair or replacement as the final recourse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.